Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Aquila and I'd love for you guys to join. So, I thought I'd vlog today. I need to get out of the house and do something, but I don't think I'm getting out until next week because I just need to go grocery shopping, and I am not going right away, especially after all the stuff that has happened here in Texas. I know they're restocking on things, but it's just going to go out just like that. So I'm going to give it to next week, probably Monday, and then go grocery shopping then or something. I don't know, but I thought I'd vlog a little bit. I'm not really doing too much right now. I feel like I'm always in my bed. I actually was up and doing laundry because I can finally do laundry now. I actually had something bad happen during the week, so none of my pipes were frozen besides my washer pipes, and I was trying to start it and then water just started leaking out. Alright guys, so back to what I was saying. I don't even know what I finished off on, but Taylor FaceTimed me just a second ago. Oh, I was talking about my washer. So no other pipes in the house were frozen, but my washer pipe was. So as soon as I turned it on to do a load of laundry, water just started like spilling out everywhere. Half my kitchen was flooded, so I had to get like the broom pan thingy and just get the water outside. Luckily I got it all out, and then the rest I just had to get up with towels. But I was like, you know, when you're doing something, like I was on FaceTime with my mom when this happened also, but when you're doing something and you're freaking out so much so you forget what to do, or like you don't know how to do it, all I needed to really do was unplug the washer, and I finally did, so then it would stop like leaking out everywhere. But I'm just glad that was the only thing that happened and nothing else, because there's people's houses around here, pipes bursted everywhere through their ceilings. I feel really bad. Also, I went to Social Coffee Bar and Grill recently, like last week, I believe it was. It might have been the week before. It was the week before last week, actually. And it had a massive fire. And then a hotel yesterday had a massive fire here also. So everything is just going bad here in Texas. We're not doing good. But everybody is in my prayers. I feel really bad for the people who were staying at that hotel because they didn't have power or water at their house. So, you know, next resort is a hotel or with friends and family, or at least someone. Lots of people were offering to stay in people's houses, which is really nice. But I do need to go grocery shopping, but I've been hearing that there's not many, like, bread and eggs and all that is out, and I really need bread and milk, and those are like the main things that are out. But next week I'm gonna try, so when it starts to get like cooled down and relaxing, because everybody just needs to go and grab stuff right now. But once it does start to be more relaxing, hopefully next week I can get out there and get the stuff that I need. But yeah, I just thought I'd vlog a little bit today. I'm not really doing much. I never do much. I never really leave the house. But next week, hopefully I can have a couple fun videos. Well, my regular scheduling, but hopefully I can have some videos when I'm just out in public, maybe make it more interesting. We will see. But yeah, I just wanted to update you guys on that.